हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम देखेंगे फंडामेंटल ऑफ नर्सिंग से रिलेटेड 50 प्लस इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू, जिसकी आगामी नर्सिंग भर्ती प्रतियोगिता में आने की प्रबल संभावना है। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पोजिशंस रिकमेंडेड फॉर पेशेंट विथ नेजल ब्लीडिंग। इसका राइट आंसर है डी 151 डी, सीटिंग अप विथ हेड स्लाइटली लीनिंग फॉरवर्ड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाइप ऑफ बैंडेजिंग इज यूज्ड फॉर सपोर्टिंग एंड इमोबिलाइजिंग एल्बो, एंकल एंड नी। इसका जो राइट आंसर है 152 बी, फिगर ऑफ, राइट आंसर फिगर ऑफ 8। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, a strip of material used mainly to support and immobilize a part of the body is called, right answer A, bandage. Next question है, which of the following is used as antiseptic, right answer C, Dettol. Next question है, which of the following type of fluid is considered as non purulent, राइट आंसर है ए, सिरिब्रो स्पाइनल फ्लूइड, CSF। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, टेम्परेचर रेगुलेटिंग सेंटर ऑफ द बॉडी इज सिचुएटेड इन द फॉलोइंग पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन। राइट आंसर है 156 सी, हाइपोथैलेमस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच इज द एंगल ऑफ इंसर्शन फॉर द इंट्रामस्कुलर इंजेक्शन, 157। राइट आंसर इज बी, 90 डिग्री। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, टू फैसिलिटेट ब्रीथिंग ऑफ द पेशेंट फॉलोइंग पोजिशन में बी गिवन, 158। राइट आंसर इज ए, polar positions. Next question, to measure rectal temperature in the children, thermometer is inserted in anus up talk ppks. राइट आंसर है 159 डी, 0.5 to 1.0 इंच। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, एन इंडिविजुअल हुज ब्लड ग्रुप इज बी कैन डोनेट ब्लड टू अ पर्सन हुज ब्लड ग्रुप इज। राइट आंसर है CANO। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इफ चाइल्ड डेवलप्ड साइनोसिस early during a tonic-clonic seizures, it is most appropriate for the nurse to, 161। right answer B, administration of oxygen। next question है, restraint are used, राइट आंसर है डी, प्रोटेक्टिव डिवाइस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, MRI stands फॉर इमेजिंग इक्विपमेंट, राइट आंसर है 163 डी, मैग्नेटिक रेजोनेंस इमेजिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, एज सुन एज द पेशेंट इंटर्स द पोस्ट एनेस्थीसिया केयर यूनिट फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी असेसमेंट बाय द नर्स, 164। राइट आंसर सी, लेवल ऑफ द कॉन्शियसनेस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंट्रामस्कुलर इंजेक्शन कैन बी इंजेक्टेड इन ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मसल्स एक्सेप्ट। राइट आंसर इज ए, ट्राइसेप्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टाइडल वॉल्यूम in a normal adult is about, right answer is B, 500 ml। next question, observation is the method of, 167। right answer is D, assessment। next question, which among the following is not one of the major method of data collection, 168। right answer is D, checklist। next question, patient centered nurse will used, right answer is A, empathy। next question, drugs that cause expulsion of gas from the in- intestine, intestinal tract, right answer is 170 B, carminatives। next question, post operative position following cleft palate repair is, right answer is 177 B, supine। right answer A, supine। next question, the one difference between a leader and a manager is that the manager does not have, right answer is C, followers। next, a team member who does not want to contribute for fear of making a mistake is, 173 C, passive members। next question, to avoid pulling the urinary catheter, nurse should tape the catheter on patients, right answer is 174 A, upper per thigh। next question, the cross infection occur usually in, 175 C, right answer hospital। next question, platelet are stored at, 176, right answer is D, 22 to 24 degrees Celsius। next question, fresh frozen plasma contains, 177, right answer A, plasma protein and clotting factors। next question, the amount of blood that is ejected from the heart in one contraction is called, right answer is B, stroke volume। next question, for a patient who is a contact precaution instrumentation to give bed bath, what would nurse instruct to use the nursing assessment, 177-9, right answer is B, gown and gloves। next question, which of the following position the patient is placed for giving EP epidural regional block, 180, right answer is D, lateral। next question, the patient with CHF is placed in high I Fowler's position. What is rationale for placing the patient in the position in this position? What 181? Right answer is C. To reduce the volume of blood returning to heart. Next question. Which nursing intervention is appropriate for a client with skeletal traction? 182. Right answer is C. Pin care. Next question. An individual whose blood type is B may in emergency donate blood to a person whose blood type is 183. Right answer is D. AB or B. Next question. Which of the following medication is useful for reducing raised intracranial pressure? Intracranial pressure. Right answer is 184. A. Right answer is A. IV mannitol. Next question. An important aspect of nurse-patient relationship is 185. Right answer is A. Right answer is A. Therapeutic. Next question. Following are strategies to promote effective human relationship except 186. Right answer is A. Individualized goal. Next question. Self-understanding is facilitated by the study of 187. Right answer is C. Zori window. Next question. Award in charge start establishing best nurse award on a monthly basis. C is appreciating the phenomenon of 188. Right answer is A. Motivation. Next question. Why nurse should keep unity ready for admission? 189. Right answer is B. Patient feel expected and welcome. Next question. Why humidification is important when patient is on oxygen therapy? Right answer is A. To prevent drying of nasal nasal mucosa. Next question. Objective to maintain body mechanism by a nurse is to 191. Right answer is C. Avoid strain and fatigue. Next question. If patient is on for IV, it is important for the nurse to check the tubing for knot and clots so that 192. Right answer is D. Fluid flow at proper rate. Next question. Next question. Saline water is used to inflate the catheter balloon because 193. Right answer A. Saline crystallize and result in incomplete deflection of balloons. Next question. When patient is given Fowler's position, the head of the bed is elevated to Fowler position. Right answer 194. 194C 45 to 60 degree. Fowler position. Bed in Fowler position, bed is elevated 45 to 60 degree. Next question. In which of the following stage of pressure ulcer nurse will observe there is a partial thickness loss of dermis with open ulcer with wound without float? Right answer is 195B. Second. Next question. Which description best suits serious drainage from the wound? Right answer is 196D. Clear watery plasma. Next question. Nosotracheal suctioning is contraindicated in case patient is having 197. Right answer is A. Right answer is A. Laryngeal edema and spasms. Spasm. Laryngeal edema and spasm. Next question. Patient with appendicitis. Appendicitis complaint of pain. Nurse can reduce pain by 198. Right answer is B. Apply ice bag. Next question. To avoid the infection during IV infusion, the nurse should 199. Right answer C. Check and cover needle side and change IV bottle 24 hourly. Next and last question. In case child have IV cannula, nurse should give heparin lock as it will help in 200. Right answer is A. Intermittent administration of IV medications. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.